So Wipro, one of the IT giant company of India, is hiring currently for financial analyst. So let's talk about what are the job description. This job is for Haryana Gurgaon. So let's talk about the job description. Support process by managing transaction as per required quality standard, filling all income help requests from client via telephones or emails in a continuous manner, document all pertinent and user identification information including name, department, contract information, nature of problem or issues, update on availability in a RAP system to ensure productivity of process, record, track and document all queries received, problem solving steps taken and total successful and unsuccessful resolutions, follow standard process and procedures to client queries resolve client queries as per SLAs defined in the contract, assess and maintain internal knowledge bases, resources, and after frequently asked questions to add in, provide effective problem resolution to clients, identify and learn appropriate product details to facilitate better client interaction and troubleshooting, document and analyze call logs to spot most occurring trends to prevent future problems, maintain and update self-help documents for customers to speed up resolution time, identify red flag and escalate serious client issues to team leader in case of ultimately resolution, ensure all product information and disclosure are given to client before and after the calls email request, avoid legal challenges by complying with the service agreement, deliver excellent customer service through effectiveness diagnosis and troubleshooting of client queries, provide product support and resolution to clients by performing questions diagnosis while guiding users through step-by-step solutions, assist client with navigating around products, menus, and facilitate better understanding of product features, troubleshoot all client queries in a user-friendly, countless, and professional manner, maintain logs and record of all customer queries as per standard procedures and guidelines, accurately process and record all incoming calls and email using the designated tracking software, offer alternative solution to client where appropriate with an objective for retaining customers and client business, organize ideas and effectively communicate oral messages appropriate to listeners and solutions, follow up with the make scheduled call back to the customers to record feedback and ensure compliance to the contract SLAs, build capability to ensure operational excellence and maintain superior customer service level of the existing client and customers, undertake product training to stay current with product features, changes and updates, enroll in products specific and any other training for clients requirement, recommendations, pattern, partner with team leaders to brainstorm and identify training themes and learning basis to the better serve to client, update job knowledge by participating in self learning learning opportunities and maintaining personal networks. So guys, if you are a fresher looking to build your career into finance analyst, then this job is for you. Okay, you can apply for this job. Skills and competency required for this job is knowledge of assigned process, tool and system foundation to competent. Okay, so you can reach out to the Wipro employees who are currently working at the senior or manager level post, okay, and ask the reference from them, and if they give, go for the job and take this. Wish you all the best. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.